Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and connection basics now. Remove hesitation. Power cycle the Jio device. Switch off, wait 30 seconds, then power on. This clears temporary faults. While it boots, check the SIM seating and battery level. Poor contact causes intermittent drops. Once LEDs stabilize, connect one device via Ethernet or Wi-Fi to avoid wireless variables. Make sure APN is set to Jio Net on the device's admin page. If not, update it before proceeding to configuration steps. Now you dig into the router interface to diagnose the middle layer. Open 192, 168, 1 or listed gateway and sign in. Inspect WAN status. If it shows unregistered, confirm APN is Jio Net and SIM/PIN is disabled. Check DHCP is enabled so devices get IPs automatically. Assign a static IP only if you understand LAN routing. If firmware upgrade is offered, download and apply it. Firmware often fixes stability bugs, but make sure power remains steady during the finish by verifying end-to-end connectivity. From a wired device, ping 888 and load several websites to confirm DNS and routing. If issues persist, clear device DNS cache, restart connected devices, and then consider a factory reset. Remember to back up custom settings first. One decisive troubleshooting step. Place the Jio SIM into a smartphone to confirm carrier signal and data. If the SIM fails in the phone, contact carrier. If the SIM works, replace the router or escalate to technical support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.